Hello, welcome to Morning Coffee with Maddog Merv. We have an overcast morning, but it's nice and, I don't say cool, it's very comfortable. Let's see what we got going on the channel today, shall we? Welcome to Morning Coffee. Maddog Merv today.
Got our French roast this morning again.
I wonder I'm a big fat guy. I mean,
And then
holy
they
cow.
I always had a schmear.
So he's probably going for bagels. His friends do.
Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it.
I have no clue.
And I got a bunch of chores to do. Oh, who wants to do that?
Well, today I'm going to skip the shout out. There's a lot of good channels that are putting out a lot of good things right now, but we'll get back to that next week. Well, let's see, what did we do Monday? We finished up the general patent. I have on display at MRS Hobbies a bunch of the others that I've done, the General Grant, the General Stewart, and one other, I can't remember which one, but anyway, I think the General Washington, yeah, it's on display there too. But I wanted to do that patent, and I'm so glad it's done. The modification was a little bit more than I anticipated as far as time-wise, and I was just done with this project at that point. Just, you know, there's more I could do, but yeah, I'm done. My patience for crappy old car kits is fading, definitely. After building so many good kits, good quality kits from either Games Workshop or some of these other armor kits or aircraft kits that are out, it's just very difficult for me to be modifying. The Charger kit was okay. It was that frame came from an older truck kit that just nah. Anyway, I hope you guys like that build. For the kit hoarder stash last week, we looked at that 68 Coronet. That's a neat little kit. I gotta build it and we'll see how well it builds, but it sure looks good. And it's got some neat extra parts in it. I've already decided on a color. In fact, probably gonna start painting that today. So it's something that I'm really excited about and excited to get done. I recommend the kit. Of course, I haven't built it yet, but just from the wow factor of opening it up and going, wow, this is really, you know, going to make a good project. It was definitely had that. So for tomorrow's show, going to do something a little bit different because guess who got a 3D printer? I got a Mars 5 Ultra, and I've never 3D printed before. I've never, in any of the process with that, I have never done before. But guess what? I have now, and I've been going nuts, to say the least. That thing, I've been printing like crazy. I've got like 7 things already done. I'll show you guys some of those. But I'm going to go through the printer itself and how I got it, and how I set things up to print. I just want to show you guys how simple this really is, because if somebody like me can do it real quick, I know darn good and well any of you guys can do it, and you'll do it like that. Sorry, I had to switch around here. The lawn crew came to take care of things, and that's what some of that noise was. And anyway, sorry, but that's what we're going to do tomorrow. Is we're going to look at this new 3D printer and how, not just, you know, it's a 3D printer, ooh-ah, but show you how simple it is for a simple person like me to be able to get in and use. And the reason I bring that up is because I know a lot of you guys would like them. A lot of you guys, you know, it may be cost prohibitive because you're looking, you know, at least $300 plus for, you know, your resin and other stuff. But yeah, you're gonna like tomorrow's show, because I didn't think I could own one either, but there it sits. So there's going to be some information. I'm sure you guys will want to see this. This week we've got an Mad Dog's Adventures in 40K coming up, and we're going to be looking at, not sure exactly, probably go over the completed, what do they call them? Death Watch or Death Guard, whatever the heck they are. The guys that hunt Xenos. Anyway, they're coming out in a release here in about another week. This particular kill team. So, well, this particular one, something very similar. Here's the thing: you can have 5 figures, and there's enough gear for 10. I went ahead and built all 10, and you guys saw that on the piece I did a few weeks back. Well, they're now completed. I just wanted to show those to you, show you the other couple of kill teams I've been working on, and some other really cool stuff that I'm working on. So with the Adventures in 40K this week, there's going to be some fun stuff for the figure guys. If you paint figures, or if you are into the Warhammer stuff at all, and even if you're not, there might be something there you could learn from. So just real quick, this week, yeah, I got the 3D printer a couple of days ago, and have been printing like a mad dog, really. It's been fun. I have been working on a couple of other car projects. One is a Halloween car project that I've been wanting to get started on. So I started, and I got the body painted and the chassis. But now I've got all the details to do and get it all assembled. So we'll probably have a show on that in another week. So we'll get back to doing a show on some cars. I've got that Coronet that I am just antsy to get painted, because I've got a special way I want to paint this one, and I haven't even done the prep work to it yet. So yeah, I'm antsy to get on to some of those things. Just as much time as I can, I've been spending doing modeling or working on this 3D printer project, or projects I should say. And other than that, it's just been life's been good this week. Really has. So I hope things are going well for all of you guys. I really appreciate your support, and I appreciate you guys watching, and appreciate the comments, sometimes good, sometimes bad. There are some critiques that anymore I'm getting to a point where it's like, yeah, well, guess what? This is the channel, and this is what it is. And, if you don't want to watch it, scroll. I got one guy in particular that kind of likes to critique some things. And I'm like, dude, at my age, I'm now to a point that I'm not nearly as worried about what anyone else thinks as I am about just trying to get content out that will be beneficial for those of you that find benefit in it. So, and the rest of the world, well, like I say, they can go find something else. So you guys have a really good week. We'll see you tomorrow for this 3D printer. You're going to want to see this. If you don't have a 3D printer and you've ever thought you might want one, you're going to want to see this. If you have a 3D printer, then you understand why I'm so excited. So take care. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.